guys, it's me, one of the owners of Floofi.Slime. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pink glossy slime. So let's get on to the ingredients. The first ingredient you need is some PVA glue, some contact lens solution, and some bicarbonate of soda. You can also activate your slime with borax mixed in with water and laundry detergent. You will also need something to mix with and something to put your slime in. The first thing you need to do is you need to add your PVA glue. In this video, I'm only going to be making a small batch since I'm kind of running out of glue. Next thing you need to do is you need to add your activator. Like I said at the start of the video, this can be eye contact solution with bicarbonate of soda, which I'm using, or borax with water, or laundry detergent, and then mix nicely. Next you need to add your bicarbonate of soda. This is what really makes it work. So make sure not to add too much or else your slime will get really lumpy and it feels horrible. Add more if needed. Then mix. Like I said with the bicarbonate of soda, add more if needed. When you start to add a bit more activator, you can start to see it pulling together and then eventually turning into slime. As you can see now, it's starting to stick off the container, which is a good sign. Once your slime is able to touch, you can start kneading it and poking and stretching it. Now I'm just adding some colour to the slime. This is completely optional. As you can see, when I start to mix the slime, it's becoming a quite light pink. If you want it lighter, I suggest adding 1 drop of colouring, not 2. But if you want a more stronger colour, I suggest you add about 3. Now you're probably wondering, how is this glossy slime? Well, what you do is you just add some lotion. I only need a bit because I used a small batch. But if you're using a bigger batch, then I suggest you use a lot more than I did. As you can see now, it is glossy slime. You can also add extras to your slime, like glitter, beads, or many other stuff. So yeah guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope your slime worked out for you. If it did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and comment. Bye!